This is our Lorentz floating pump pontoon and a Lorentz PS2 600 helical rotor submersible pump that we're going to hang on this pump pontoon. The shroud here directs the water into the motor, and we've got a submersible cable connected to the pump that's going to be submersed underwater. The way these sit when they're in the water is that'll be hanging upside down like that, the float at the top, and just hanging underwater, allowing the air, any air to get out of the pump. I've also got a stainless steel tether cable on it, and I'm going to tether the pump to the bank on the other side there, just to, if we need to retrieve it, to service it, pull any weeds out of it, or look after it over the years. It's very important with submersible pumps to select the right cable, and the compass selection program that I use for selecting the correct Lorentz pump will also give us the sizing for the electrical cable. This one here, for this configuration and length of cable, it's chosen a 4-core cable to match the motor, and it's a 6mm square submersible cable, which will minimise the voltage drop and give us the maximum power to the pump. The submersible cable is quite different to a building grade cable. The rubberised cable stops the ingress of water and shorting out the cable. The old orange cables or the white building cables are PVC, and now will allow water to get into the cable and short the cable out and cause a short life for the pump. So we're going to get this one. This is pretty much ready now. We've got it taped up. We're going to tip it over and drag it through the reeds back there into the centre and get ready to hook it up. Okay, just pulling it out to the middle here. We've got a few reeds. Get it untangled, I reckon. Nice. So the pump's hanging down nice and neat. The float's right in the deep end of the dam there. I think we'll leave it there like that.